Bettina Ortiz Waimena was not accustomed to waiting, a former Miss Venezuela and Miss Universe runner-up. She is now the wife of Miami auto parts tycoon, Herman Ortiz Waimena. At every restaurant, just waits with her presence. She was always greeted with reverence and wished to the exact table she desired. Today, she wanted a corner table on the terrace at Sip Sip, her favorite lunch spot on Harbor Island. She wanted to sit on one of the comfy orange chairs and stare out at the gently lapping turquoise waters while eating her grilled Caesar salad. But there was a large noisy group taking up the entire terrace and they didn't seem in much hurry to leave. The women overly tanned, wrinkled, and saggy, none of them properly lifted or botoxed. Bettina foamed as she glared at the tourists happily savoring their lunch in the sun. Look how tacky they were. And the men were even worse, all dressed in all rumpled shirts and shorts, wearing those cheap straw hats. Why did such people have to come here? Feeling that she had been patient long enough, Bettina stormed into the kitchen. The fringe on her crotcheted pussycat pantap shaking furiously as she made a beeline for the woman with a shock of pixie cut, blondie hair manning the main stall.
Hey honey, what's the dealio? I've waited more than 15 minutes for my table. Sorry, Bettina. It's been one of those days. The party of 12 on the terrace showed up first just before you did. But the terrace is your prime spot. Why on earth did you let those tourists take up all that space? Well, the tourist in the red fishing cup is the Duke of Glencora. His party just boated over from Windermere. That's his royal wisman you see moored off the coast. Isn't it the most handsome sailboat you've ever seen? I'm not impressed by big boats.